Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss operation research subject. In the subject chapter number 2 assignment model. Objective of this chapter to enlighten the student about the basics of assignment model, to explain the concept of assignment model. After completing this unit, student will be able to apply the concept of assignment model to minimize time for production, apply the concept of assignment model to maximize the profit. Now we see the unit content. Mathematical statement, method to solve balanced and unbalanced assignment problem, maximization problem, assignment with restriction, and traveling salesman problem. In tutorial 1 we learn mathematical statement and method to solve balanced problem. Method to solve assignment problem. Check whether the problem is balanced or unbalanced condition. If the problem is unbalanced condition, add the dummy. Check whether and convert into balanced condition. Second, third, subtract the smallest element in each row from every element of that row so that we get reduced matrix R minimum. Subtract the smallest element in each column from every element of that column to get reduced matrix C minimum. Now test whether it is possible to make the assignment using 0. Only if it is possible, the assignment must be optional and the column having zeros in the marked row get deleted. Repeat the same procedure till we get balanced number. If not, then use line by method. Draw the number of lines equal to number of allocation. In a previous state, draw the lines in such a way that all zeros should be covered. Select smallest element among all uncovered elements. Then subtract these values from all uncovered elements and these number in values where two lines are intersecting, then addition will take place. Now we see balance problem. Question number 1. Profit expected in rupees through each machine if assigned to a particular job are tabulated below. What is the optimum assignment of a machine to the job? Here 4 machine, 4 worker are available, and for calculating R minimum, first we select first row, minimum value is 8 and this minimum value subtract from all of this. 26 minus 8 is 18, 8 minus 8 is 0, and 17 minus 8 is 9, and 11 minus 8 is 3. For second, minimum value is 4 and these 4 values subtract from all of these. 13 minus 4 is 9, 28 minus 4 is 24, and 4 minus 4 is 0, and 26 minus 4 is 22 here. And same for minimum value is 15, third row, 15 minus 15 is 0, and remaining this, and minimum value is 10, then 10 minus 10 is 0, 19 minus 10 is 9, 26 minus 10 is 16, and 24 minus 10 is 14. For C minimum, R minimum table is used calculating. Here in this column 0 is minimum value, then column will be same, and in this column 4 is minimum, then subtract the 4 value from this column, and here 0 is minimum, then table will come same, and also here 0 is minimum, then table column will be same. Then for allocation or assignment, C minimum column is carried out. Then check condition. Select first 0 in row and available in row and column 0 will be deleted, but here not available. Then second row, select first 0, available row and column deleted, here also be not, and here 2 0, then first leave it. Then check next row and here 0 is available, and check whether row and column here available, then it will be deleted in red color, I will show in here. Then after check first row, this completed and this row will be completed, but this 0 is remaining, then select, already it will be deleted and this can be select. Then 4 allocation will completed, then 4 machine and 4 worker are engaged with this machine, then total cost is 41 rupees. Now see the question number 2, balance problem. 4 different jobs can be done on 4 different machine. A step up and take down time cost is given below. How should be the job assigned to various machine so that the total cost is minimum? In this problem, 4 machine and 3 workers are work and one is in ideal condition. 4 machine. For R minimum, the minimum value is 5 here, and this 5 will be subtract from every row. 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 5 is 2, 11 minus 5 is 6, and 6 minus 5 is 1. Then after a minimum value is 6, a minimum value is 5 in second also. 8 minus 5 is 3, and 5 minus 5 is 0, 9 minus 5 is 4, and 6 minus 5 is 1. Same here in row, minimum value is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0, and remaining you can done easy. In this, minimum value is 3 in this row. Then R minimum calculated. After C minimum, for C minimum calculated for R using the R minimum table. In this column 0 is minimum value, it will be same. In this column also 0 is minimum, then this table column will be same. Here minimum value is 4. This 4 can subtract from every element, and here minimum value is 0, table is same. For allocation or assignment, we carried out the C minimum table. First, select first 0 and available 0 will be deleted in row and column. Here 0 available, then I will delete it in showing red color, and 2 zeros first leave it, then check whether 0 available in next 2 rows. Here already deleted, but in fourth 0 is available and another 0 not available in this row and column. Now going to for 2 zeros, second rows, first 0 selected and second 0 is deleted. Then 3 allocation will completed. 3 allocation is completed, then total cost is 5 plus 5 plus 3 is 13. Only 3 worker are work on a machine, one is in ideal condition. For correct allocation, we use line by method. This method is very simple. This method is very simple. Now we use number of line is 3, because of 3 allocation will cover. This is a new allocation taken. Then we cover the OR 0 by using 3 lines. First line, second and third, all 0 will be covered. Now check in this table, the minimum value is 1. This 1 we use in this table for subtraction and addition, because of where 2 lines are intersect, then addition will take place, and where a simple line passes, do not do anything, keep as it is this value. Where line does not passes, then minimum value subtract from this value. Then I will showing here. Then 0 kept as it is, 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 0, 3 plus 1 4, and 0 0 1 kept as it is, 0 kept as it is, 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 2 1, 7 plus 1 8, 1 1 0 kept as it is. Now again we do the allocation process. 2 zeros here and here, leave it. First 0 select, available 0 deleted, not available. Here 1 0 select and available 0, this here deleted, and select first 0, available 0, then here deleted. So again I will cover 3 allocation. Fourth allocation is not getting, then again I use line by method, and then cover all 0 by using 3 lines. Your first line drawn and second line and third, and then all zeros I will cover. And also here minimum value is 1. Where 2 lines are perpendicular to each other, then addition will take place, and where line is passes simple, then kept as it is these values, and where line does not passes, then subtract the minimum value from this. Now assignment, all are done here. 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 minus is 1, 1 minus 1 0. Then 4 zeros first leave it, second row 2 0 leave it, so third row 2 0 leave it, and 3 0 leave it. Now again we go from first 0 selected, available 0 deleted, this means 3 zeros are deleted, here 1 0 deleted. Now second row 2 0 available, leave it, here 1 0 available only, this already deleted, then this can be deleted and above 0 deleted. Now check, here 2 zeros available, leave it and go again. First this 0 available, this will be deleted, and the third row completed, and fourth row 0 is available, then 4 allocation completed. The total cost is 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 3, 23. These are the balanced problem by using line by method, or without line by method is a simple problem, but mostly in examination the line by method is asked. This is problem for 8 mark will ask in exam. Thank you.